Hi everyone, welcome back to FixAge. Today I will show you how to install custom fonts in Windows 11 step by step. Without further delay, let's dive in. First, we need to download the fonts from trusted websites. Open your browser. I'm opening Google Chrome. In the search bar, search for Google Fonts. Hit the enter key. In the search result, fonts.google.com website is there. No? Click on the first option. It will show the several font styles. Choose which one you want to download and install. I'm choosing this Google Sans Code. Click on that. When we open this Google Sans Code page, there will be an option Get Font. Click on that. Here we need to click on this download button. Download has been completed. Open the downloaded folder. It will download in the zip file. So right click on the folder, click on extract all. To install the font, we need to extract that one. To extract it. Next method is we need to install the font by right clicking. So open any of the folder. Fonts will be downloaded in TTF format or OTF format. Currently it is in TTF format, true type font file. So if you want to install this Google Sans Code Italic, Google Sans Code variable font style, those are available here. So right click on this install button. By right clicking and installing the font will install only for the current user. If you log in with the other username, this font will not be available for that user. So make sure if you want to install for the current user or for all system. This Google Sans Code Italic variable font has been installed successfully. Next, installing the font for Systemwide. For that, we need to open the settings. Go to search for settings, hit the enter key. In the settings window on the left side, click on the personalization. On the right side, look for font and click on that. In this window, there is an option drag and drop to install. So, install the font system-wide, we need to drag and drop that TTF file here. So, guys, we can browse and install the fonts. So, click on this browse and install. Browse the downloads folder, open the folder, select the font file, choose fonts. Is already installed. Do you want to replace it? Click on. When we did the drag and drop, it's already installed. Like this, install the fonts system-wide. Next one is installing the fonts from Microsoft Store. It is optional. You can install from the Google Fonts only or else Microsoft Store. So open the Microsoft Store, go to search bar, the search, type Microsoft Store and open it. There search for font, hit the enter key. Fonts will open. Look which font you want to install. Click on that font. There will be free fonts also there and paid also there. Here there will be button is there free and it's showing some amount. It's showing free. So check which and all the fonts are free and which one you want and click on that. Click on this get. It will automatically download and install that font into the system. Wait for the installation to complete and close the windows. Now we have to verify the fonts in application. So open any Word, Excel or PowerPoint or any Photoshop or any designing app. So I am opening normal Word file. So go to search for Word, hit the enter key, click on the blank document. So opened. Here this is the font types. So now we have installed 3 fonts. Google Sans Code, hit the enter key and type installation. It's installed correct. Next one is Business Sans. Hit the enter. We'll select fonts. Type change the font style and check. From Microsoft we installed Ink Journal. See, we have installed 3 different fonts and check all are working fine. And that's it. You have successfully installed custom fonts in Windows 11. Hope you liked this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to share and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.